We all love to travel, right? Exploring new places, meeting new people, and creating unforgettable memories. But you know what doesn't love traveling? Our skin. Long flights, dry cabin air, and time zone changes can leave us looking dull, dehydrated, and exhausted. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Today I'm sharing the ultimate travel skincare kit packed with essentials that will keep your skin glowing and refreshed, no matter how long your journey is. These must-haves are all available on Amazon, so you can grab them before your next trip. Ready? Let's go. First things first, hydration. The air in airplanes is ridiculously dry, sucking all the moisture out of your skin. That's why a good moisturizer is a must-have. The Plum 2% Niacinamide moisturizer is lightweight yet super hydrating. Plus, it has hyaluronic acid, which locks in moisture for that dewy plum skin, even at 30,000 feet. Mid-flight skincare is a game changer. Always carry the Face Shop Real Nature Sheet Masks because they are infused with ingredients like aloe vera, rice and pomegranate to instantly refresh and hydrate your tired skin. Just pop one on during your flight and by the time you land, you'll be glowing out. Next up, a face mist. A quick spritz of Forest Essentials Pure Rosewater instantly cools and soothes your skin, reducing puffy eyes and keeping you fresh. It's like a wake-up call for your face, especially after a long haul flight. Dry lips, chapped lips, no, thank you. Flights can be brutal on your lips, which is why the LANEIGE Lip Sleeping Mask is a lifesaver. It's packed with vitamin C and shea butter to keep your lips soft and hydrated. Just apply before takeoff and you land with baby soft lips. Jet lag equals to dark circles and puffy eyes, but we are not letting that happen. The Orimii Under Eye Cream helps reduce puffiness and keeps your under eye area looking fresh and well rested, even if you're running on a zero sleep. No time for a full face wash. No problem, Kaya Cleansing Wipes remove dirt, oil and makeup in just one swipe without drying out your skin. Perfect for freshening up during layovers. Once you land, it's time to recover, girls. The Body Shop Vitamin E BI Face Serum is a post-flight essential. It deeply hydrates and restores your skin's natural radiance overnight, so you wake up looking refreshed and ready for your adventure. Last but not the least, a face toner. The Plum 3% Niacinamide and Rice Water Toner helps brighten, tone and control oiliness. A quick spritz will instantly wake up your skin and get you glowing in no time. And that's it, my ladies, your ultimate travel skincare kit for helping your skin hydrate, glowing and jet lag free. If you're planning a trip soon, grab these must-have products from Amazon and make sure your skin is ready for the adventure as you are. If you're watching this video on Instagram, check out our product link in bio, and on YouTube, check the description box. And do not forget to like, subscribe and share Time Shopping Guide, as it's your guide to smarter shopping.